Hey everyone, I'm Nishay and welcome to my channel. So in the first video of this scalp psoriasis series, we talked about things to avoid. One of the things we talked about was scratching or picking the scalp, as it could cause more inflammation. So in this video, I'll show you how I remove flakes and soothe my scalp itch without scratching or picking. Let's get into it. So this product right here has been a game changer for flake removal. It's the Sulfur 8 Scalp Therapy Medicated Dandruff Control Leave-In Soothing Treatment. The active ingredient is 3% salicylic acid, and it helps relieve scalp itching, irritation, scaling, and flaking caused by dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, and psoriasis. It does also contain menthol, so it also has a cooling sensation upon application that perfectly soothes any itching. I like to apply it to the specific areas on my scalp where there are excessive flakes and or itching, and I massage it in with my fingers. So this product does a really good job of lifting the flakes from the scalp, but the flakes end up getting into your hair. So if your hair is braided or in a specific hairstyle, you have to be a bit more careful when removing the flakes to avoid ruining the neatness of your hairstyle. I couldn't get a few of the flakes out of my hair because they were really trapped in there, so that's something to keep in mind with braided hairstyles. Here's the before and after of my scalp, and you can see there's a huge difference in the amount and visibility of flakes on my scalp. Now I'll show you guys the removal process when my hair is out. It's definitely easier to comb the flakes out of the hair this way. So I got my hair done Sunday, and today is Wednesday night, and I got my hair still pressed Sunday night. So it's definitely time to grease my scalp. I noticed I was itching and scratching at it today, so I'm going to go in and moisturize it. I just need to calm my scalp down. You can see there's some flakes, so I'm just gonna keep going and show you guys what my scalp looks like. Oh boy. Once again, I'm going in with the Sulfur 8 Scalp Therapy Soothing Treatment, and I apply it specifically to the flaky, irritated patches on my scalp. I massage it in and then comb the lifted flakes out of my hair. The soothing treatment is a clear liquid, same consistency as water, and it does dry down quickly, which, while soothing the itch and irritation, can leave the scalp dry after a while, so you can definitely follow up with an oil to keep moisture in the scalp. I follow up with the Sulfur 8 Anti-Dandruff Hair and Scalp Conditioner. This has the consistency of hair grease, and it helps soothe the irritation, leaving a nice tingly, cooling sensation on the scalp as well. Over the course of my flare-up, these two products have helped so much with controlling itch, thereby minimizing flakes. Quick pro tip: I suggest pouring some of the Scalp Therapy Soothing Treatment into a mini spray bottle to carry with you on the go to soothe any random itches you get throughout the day. So right now, this is what I hate. I hate having the big flakes just hanging on my hair. So I'm trying to remove them, but it's hard. Just rub that in. Yeah, that feels a little better. There was a spot back here. I don't know if you can see that. All products are linked in the description box below, but also feel free to check out your local beauty supply store to purchase these products for yourself as well. I purchased mine from my local beauty supply. The Scalp Therapy Soothing Treatment, which is the little blue bottle, was a little pricey at $11, and the Anti-Dandruff Scalp Conditioner, which is the yellow tub, was about $8. I'm gonna just take a little bit of a Sulfur 8. Alright, so yeah, that was just it. I just hit up the areas that were giving me trouble. So the areas on my scalp where I've noticed that I was itching a bit more today. I am loving these layers. It's just doing it for me. Wow. Wow, those are some really good layers. Please like this video if you like this hair hack. Feel free to leave any questions down below and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. God bless.